Back then, now, the 70s and 80s, who were some of the songs that you actually clashed in that type of style back then?
Well, like Jack Ruby.
You clashed Jack Ruby?
Yeah, man, right in my yard.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It wasn't really like sound clash like now, you know. Mm-hmm. Those was like friendly stuff, like, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And you have like Echo Vibration. Mm-hmm. Those clashes were different from now.
Explain.
Because like owners to the system were reputable people. Mm-hmm. So people don't cuss bad road and all them things and microphone and dance and disrespect people. Mm-hmm. Everybody just do it for fun. Yeah. It was like a fun thing, like you laugh and when dance finish, everybody happy to talk and say, I'm me win and this one, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's not like now where it's a different vibes now. Mm-hmm. Now it's like dog fight dog, you know?
Yeah.
So what I believe that though, it take away the glamour, the clarity of the dance complete.
For sure.
Because no matter how you see, you like a clash dance keep, check the people that go there. It's not the regular dance people who would go to those nice nightclubs and all that. They don't go there.
Yeah.
It's just mostly like ghetto people, I would call them. Not I'm discriminating people, but it's just like the people that would go to a clash dance, right? But like you have a dance now, like most of the dance they might play like oldies dance. Mm-hmm. You find nice people come because they know them going to get like a soca, soul music, disco, from 60s, 70s, 80s come right up to present. So they get a wider variety of music.
Yeah.
Like when they go to a clash dance here, it's like living hardcore. You know, see man they dance with woman, everybody stand up and they speculate. Yeah. So no fun in that.
Different. Yeah. I want to know, with the Jack Ruby clash, who actually won that clash?
No, clash wasn't like that, who win and who lose, you know.
Yeah.
You just play music, and then at the end of the night, you hear people say, boy, Rosa play some wicked tune pan Jack, and Jack play some wicked tune pan Rosa, and it just gone, everybody a good friend see me, you know.
And keep it moving from there.
So it was like family affair. Unlike now, two sound play and them clash, and the next day the owner for that sound not talking to the owner for this sound, and then disrespect, and you go up on social media, and no.
It wasn't
that was more like, in those days, it was like a family affair.
Yeah.
So you enjoy those things.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long was Soul to Soul really doing a lot of stuff in the island before you actually migrated to Canada?
I came here in 1982.
82?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So did you come with the song, with the intention of playing the song, or what was the idea when you came up?
No, I come here like on a vacation because my smaller brother was here. Mm-hmm. And he spent vacation in Jamaica. And he said, come. Yeah. Because those days you never need no visa or not like that for come. You just buy a ticket and come, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. So I came here in 82. Mm-hmm. What he did now, in find all of my schoolmates when I used to go corner and everything and say, don't make him go back, talk to him. You know?
Yeah.
And he growing until me say, you know what? I'm going to build up on sound, you know. I'm going to build up back soul to soul.
Yeah.
I'm start by pieces of equipment, little by little, and build up back the sound. And then there was a place at Eglinton and Kiel, Crown and Cushion. Like after hours thing like, right? Mm-hmm. And somebody said, I'm going to go down there to test out my sound. A friend of mine named Dick. Mm-hmm. So I go down and set it up and test it out. And the guy who owned the place said, boy, the sound can't leave here now.
Yeah. So this is the second time in your career where they hijacked the song, where it's like, one time was when you got to Kingston, this song's not leaving. You came to Toronto, Crown and Cushion, you're not leaving again. So
then now, I start play down there every Friday and Saturday. Mm-hmm. I mean, notice all Sunday morning, I go and see people that come from church. It was like, weird. All night till daylight, you know, and it continued after that for a little while. And everybody come and ask me how much me charge to play, and they want I am to play one party and all that, right? Mm-hmm. It was an Easter weekend, and I say it's long weekend. Mm-hmm. And I go to them and tell them, it's a long weekend, so we need X amount to play for the weekend. Mm-hmm. Him say, we tell me Thursday. So Thursday, when I call them now, them say they can't pay me that. So I call another friend of mine from Montego Bay and tell him, and him say, hold on. And he call one of them friend, and the friend say, must come over their place, come play. So I go over there, go play the 2 nights, and I get 3 times the amount what I did ask them for before that. Yeah. So I never bother go back down, they go play either.
Yeah.
So everybody now start book me. Everybody start hear about me now. So I start the basement thing regular every week.
Okay.
Every week book out in our basement they play.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.